Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Bluetooth in 2012 Subaru Legacy, only way. Start by parking safely and leaving the engine running, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. Next, power on the Subaru audio system, access the Bluetooth menu, and choose the phone pairing option while keeping the phone screen active. Follow prompts for PIN entry or confirmation to complete the pairing process. Powering up the head unit is simple and steady, so I'll walk you through each menu option in plain language. Use the audio or phone key to find Bluetooth settings, then choose to add a new device and let the system scan. When your phone name appears, select it and confirm any PIN or code shown on both phone and head unit. Stay patient during scanning to avoid repeated attempts. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long drives with the Owala water bottle. It keeps water cold and fits cup holders, making it perfect for wrenching on a car or commuting. I've included a link and other deals in the description so you can grab one easily. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, don't worry. Small fixes solve most Bluetooth headaches. Try restarting your phone and the audio system, then attempt pairing again while keeping devices close together. Remove old Bluetooth profiles from the head unit if you've hit a connection limit, and check your phone for any pending updates that could affect compatibility. Repeating the pairing steps calmly usually resolves lingering connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.